Hello, it's Miss Jones. It's evening time. I placed new fish in my tank today. Brand new fish. I went with 4 angels and 1 molly. And the temperature is 75 degrees. Great temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. And they're hiding on me. Once they know I'm their food source, you will see them come right at me when I come towards the tank. For now, they're getting used to the size of the tank, each other, their surroundings. Hoping to get a match out of these 4, a female and a male. We won't be able to tell until they mate up. And then you'll see the female in action. Then you'll know which one's a female. Now, the taller the fin on the top, the better quality fish they are. If they have a short, stubby fin on the top, they're not really high class. But these fish that I purchased from Pet Supply are beautiful. Now, I hope to keep them. As they grow, I will take videos of them. That black one, I like him or her. I think maybe it's a male. I don't know if I'll name the fish yet. Let's see. And then there's the molly up in her breeder tank. She's pregnant, so she should have some babies, some fries pretty soon. Hopefully I can catch it when I'm home and I'll tape it live. Anyways, join me on Facebook at Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas. And Legacy's Little Luxuries. Oh, there they go. They're moving now. They seem to all be getting along, so they're all in a group. Nobody's fighting anybody. Well, not yet. Like I said, they're just getting used to the surroundings of that beautiful black angelfish is playing peekaboo. Get yourself a 10-gallon starter tank and become an enthusiast, tropical fish hobbyist. Fun to watch. It's relaxing. You can decorate the inside. You can use live or fake plants. Angelfish, they just want food. They don't care about the plants. I'll pick up some bloodworms, some shrimp, and right now they're just eating the flakes that came with the tank. The tank had a kit that came with the heater and the pump, the light, but it added an LED blue light. So in the evening, I shut off the main light. The LED is the only light on, and then these glow in the dark. It's a moon rock and the LED blue light, plastic flowers or plastic weeds, whatever you want to call them. And then I have a moon decoration in the back. They all highlight with that blue LED light. So I turn the heavy light down, the brighter light down, and I use the LED light at night. Yeah, they're still hiding. Hey, you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and watch these fish grow as the year goes by. Bless.